What time is our bus coming? We're at bus stop number 4. Oh, they got a Cars bus. This is going to Epcot. We're gonna go to Animal Kingdom. We'll have some fun there. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so very much for watching. There you go. Hi. Good. How are you? Enjoy the park. All right. Thank you. Everybody's leaving and we coming in like some dummies. It's about to storm. Fun times. Fun times. Oh, the tree of life. Oh. Yeah. So they trying to get on this? We on Pandora. I know. That storm is coming. Shoot, this line longer than that. Y'all, we crazy. It is storming. And here we go trying to get on the rides. Yep, it's starting to rain. Oh, girl. We're walking towards. It is cold in here. Oh, the bench. Hey, match with your house. Look at that. So cute. Everybody's coming in here because it's raining. That's why we're coming here too. But we're gonna. You want that hat?
Huh?
You like that hat? It's nice. It does match your outfit. Exactly. I sure did. Look at this line. Okay, we finally made it inside after being stuck in the rain forever. And now we are getting ready to get on Flight of Passage. We are soaked and wet. You can't tell right now, but we're soaked. No, this line is ridiculous. We still in line.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi. Connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away. When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now. First, stow your gear in the storage containers on the back wall. This should include all bags, cameras, and other items, including cell phones. It's important to push them all the way into the bin. Then get onto the chair as you would a bike. Straddle the seat, step forward, and sit down. Slide your hips forward until you are against the chest pad, and then move your feet all the way forward. Wait until you're seated before you put on your flight visors. Hold onto the hand grips as shown. It's important to hold onto the hand grips at all times. After you're seated, back and leg restraints will be firmly engaged. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, always remain seated and supervise your children.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Please stop. That is irritating. Why am I vibrating? That's irritating me. Oh, she is cracking up. I'm becoming an avatar. So pretty. Whoa. Okay, we at the store. Back into the store again. We came here. Yeah. This is where we was at earlier.
Yeah.
I don't remember seeing Well, this is where I went live, but in with the group. Now we're getting ready to go to Navi, I think. In the rain. It's literally thunderstorm. You hear the thunder? My family is crazy. Look at this child. She said she's not getting her hair.
They're looking at me like I'm crazy.
But man, it's been pouring down rain. We only got wet like really bad once. It's still raining now, but
It's sprinkling.
it's not sprinkling, it's raining. But we got soaked earlier. Y'all, Lexi keep like, if they don't quit making all these noises. Hold on, let me show you the scenery. We're in line for Navi. James, did you like the Flight of Passage?
Yeah, he did.
No.
Yeah,
Stop
he did.
lying. Stop it. He liked it. It was so much fun. Lexi, how you liked it?
I was cool.
She was screaming so loud. She was screaming so loud.
Into it.
I wasn't.
And the other lady too. The other lady, she kept screaming. I was cracking up. It was so funny. But yeah.
Hold on.
Okay, so now we're gonna get on Navi. When we get closer inside, I'll come back to you guys. Peace. Oh, I'm cold. Ooh, I don't know. Yeah, we're taking the next one. We still got the viters up. See, the viters are still still sat on the end. It's already cold enough. This is what I've been waiting on. Are you happy? Like, are you happy? That's all she been wanting to get on. Yep.
Check this out.
You didn't see it, did you?
Huh?
Right there. You're not even paying attention. So you get too close to the water? Look up there. Look up.
Sorry.
Do it. Hey y'all, so now we are at Lion King. Lex is not giving us a break this time. She wants to see everything. What? What you say? I said you're not giving us a break. You want to see everything.
Yes.
So we are all in this rain. He said go keep tracking the line. So we got here early to the Lion King. First time we was early for real. Last time we was way in the back of the line. But the Lion King just opened back up again, and it's a new show, but it's still kind of the same. It's just a little different. So it's a little short. It's a little bit different. It's like the flying monkeys is not in here or whatever, but it's still supposed to be cute. So we want to see it. So we're gonna bring you guys along with us, and we'll see that. I'm behind you. Now the sun is
It wasn't as long as the last one, but it was still good.
yeah, it was good.
She better. That girl.
Did you like
I
it?
think it's the same people from last time.
It looked like it.
Especially the princess when she looked.
I did all the acrobat last time.
The sun is out, y'all. We are so happy. Finally. Oops.